Welcome to Urban Family Farming Community, your go-to YouTube channel for anything related to farming and food. Here are 7 delicious recipes featuring common herbs and spices, along with preparation instructions and their uses. 1. Moringa green smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach or kale, 1 tablespoon moringa powder, 1 banana, half a cup pineapple chunks, fresh or frozen, 1 cup almond milk or water, 1 tablespoon honey, optional instructions. 1. Place all ingredients in a blender. 2. Blend until smooth and creamy. 3. Serve immediately for a nutritious start to your day. Uses: great as a morning boost, high in vitamins and antioxidants. 2. Lavender lemonade. Ingredients: 1 cup water, half a cup sugar, 1 tablespoon dried lavender, 1 cup fresh lemon juice, 4 cups cold water. Instructions. 1. In a saucepan, bring 1 cup of water and sugar to a boil, then stir in lavender and steep for about 10 minutes. 2. Strain the mixture to remove lavender, then combine with lemon juice and cold water. 3. Serve chilled over ice. Uses: refreshing drink with calming properties, perfect for summer days. 3. Catnip tea. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon dried catnip, 1 cup boiling water and honey, which is optional. Instructions: place the catnip in a teapot or infuser. Pour boiling water over the leaves and steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the tea, sweeten with honey if desired, and enjoy. Uses: it's a natural remedy for relaxation and sleep. 4. Oregano roasted chicken. Ingredients: 4 chicken thighs, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 teaspoons dried oregano, 3 cloves garlic, minced salt and pepper to taste, and lemon wedges for serving. Instructions: preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix olive oil, oregano, garlic, salt, and pepper. Coat the chicken thighs with the mixture and place them on a baking sheet. Roast for 30 to 35 minutes, until the chicken is cooked through. Serve with lemon wedges. Uses: this is a flavorful main dish that's rich in protein and healthy fats. 5. Moringa lentil soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion diced, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 carrot diced, 1 celery stalk diced, 4 cups vegetable broth, 1 cup lentils rinsed, 1 tablespoon moringa powder, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: heat olive oil in a pot over medium heat. Sauté onion, garlic, carrot, and celery until softened. Add broth and lentils, bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Stir in moringa powder and season with salt and pepper. Cook for another 5 minutes. Uses: a nutritious, filling soup packed with protein and vitamins. 6. Mint yogurt sauce. Ingredients: 1 cup plain yogurt, 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves chopped, 1 garlic clove minced, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, salt to taste. Instructions: in a bowl, combine yogurt, mint, garlic, lemon juice, and salt. Stir well. Chill in the refrigerator for 30 minutes to allow flavors to meld. Uses: a refreshing sauce that pairs well with grilled meats or as a dip for vegetables. 7. Thyme and lemon roasted potatoes. Ingredients: 2 pounds baby potatoes halved, 3 tablespoons olive oil, 2 teaspoons fresh thyme leaves or 1 teaspoon dried, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, combine potatoes, olive oil, thyme, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Toss to coat. Spread potatoes in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast for 25 to 30 minutes until golden brown and tender. Uses: a delicious side dish for roasted meats or grilled vegetables. If you enjoyed this video and found the recipes helpful, here's how you can support and engage. Like and subscribe, give us a thumbs up to let us know you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and tips. Share with friends. Share this video with friends or family who might love trying out these recipes. The more, the merrier. Comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Share your favorite recipe from this video or let us know what herbs and spices you like to cook with. Hit the notification bell. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any new content. Be the first to try out our next recipe. Try the recipes, get into the kitchen and give these recipes a go. Tag us in your creations on social media. We can't wait to see what you make. Thank you for watching and happy cooking.